Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center with a quick weather update. Of course, all eyes on Hurricane Joaquin. In the meantime, some rain offshore. We'll start to see some bands of rain and wind move back in here by this evening, and especially on Friday, though it's not directly associated with the hurricane. But we're giving you the brand new update because new information now coming in and the storm getting stronger. Look at this buzz wheel shape on the satellite photo. This is very impressive. An eye has now formed and the storm getting stronger. Now a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 130 miles per hour. The Bahamas getting hit extremely hard right now. Florida, North Carolina, southern New England on the top of your TV set. So here's the situation. Winds of 130, gusting to 155 miles per hour, and the Category 4 storm in the lower part of the Bahamian island chain. Now the forecast track over the next 3 to 5 days. Now keep in mind, as we get further and further out into the future, the potential margin of error really increases, but the latest track now has clearly shifted more to the east, taking it as a tropical storm, not a hurricane, somewhere near the New England coastline, but not until either late Monday or Tuesday of next week. But one thing we're going to watch very closely, and that is if this trend of an eastward track continues, that would be actually good because it would mean the storm actually passing out to sea. But obviously a track like this has us concerned. But again, this is still several days out and really a lot of wiggle room either left or right. But the latest trend that we've been seeing now the last roughly 48 hours, if you remember, originally the forecast was for back here. Now it's further to the east, and if that trend continues, then that's great. It takes the storm out to sea, but clearly don't want to write this thing off yet. But we have at least 2 to 3 days to be watching the situation closely. You want to stay tuned to further forecasts and certainly on social media and our website at WPRI.com. So any rain and wind later tonight into Friday and even Saturday is not directly associated with Joaquin, but rather a separate weather situation. And really all eyes begin late Sunday night, especially Monday and Tuesday of next week. Another update coming up later on this afternoon from the National Hurricane Center that usually comes in at around 5 o'clock. We'll talk to you then.